You're probably wondering, how does Hack Your Resume actually work? Honestly, I built this to be as simple as possible. You don't need to be technical. You don't need ChatGPT Plus. You don't need to know prompt engineering. If you can copy and paste, you can use this. So let me show you. First, go to the website and purchase the prompt for only $3. That's it. No monthly subscriptions, no hidden fees, no expensive packages. Once you purchase it, you'll receive an email with the Hack Resume prompt, a quick setup guide, instructions, and extra ATS tips. Next, create a free ChatGPT account. The free version works perfectly fine. Once you log in, go to the project section and create a project called Hack Your Resume. Inside the project, upload two things: the Hack Your Resume prompt and your current resume. That's it. Now, the system understands your experience, skills, projects, and career background. Next, find a job that you want to apply for. You can use LinkedIn, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, any other company website. Copy the entire job description and paste it directly into ChatGPT. And let's watch what happened. The system analyzed the job requirements, the keywords, the technologies, the responsibilities, the language patterns, and ATS optimization opportunities. Then it compares all of that against your real experience. And this is important. We're not inventing fake jobs. We are not lying. We are not creating fake experience. We're optimizing your real background so recruiters and ATS systems can understand your value correctly. Within seconds, the system generates a tailored resume, a personalized cover letter, an ATS score, a mean 30 seconds, and recommendations to improve your chances long term. Now, here's something important. You do not want a perfect 100% ATS score. A lot of recruiters get suspicious when resumes look over AI generated. That's unrealistic. It's too perfect to be true. Usually, something around 70 to 85%, maybe 90-95%, it is very strong. The systems also give recommendations for future growth. Maybe there is a certification you should get. Maybe there is a tool you should learn. Maybe there's experience that could improve your chances later. Because this is not only about getting one interview, it's about improving your career long term. And honestly, once this is set up, the entire process takes only a few minutes. Instead of sending the same resume everywhere, you can now tailor your resume, your application correctly for every job. That's how people compete today. And that's exactly why I built Hack Your Resume. Because too many qualified people are getting filtered out because a recruiter not even sees them. I wanted to create something simple, affordable, and actually useful. So if you want to try it, go to the website, get the prompt for only $3, and follow the steps. Then start tailoring your resume the right way. Now, let's go get you some more interviews.